Welcome to Excel Basic number 2. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do copy, use the fill handle to copy formula, find average of some values, sort the values, some data values, and also insert rows and columns. And lastly, I'll show you how to build a bar chart. So first of all, let's enter these data. So I enter the test scores of Jack. He took 6 tests and these are his score. And the first thing I want to do is to find the average of all the tests. So to do that, I have two ways. The first way is to use the quick formula shortcut, which can be found under the Home tab, Editing. And you click on the auto sum down arrow, and there's some very commonly used formula available. So you can just click on average, and then the average is automatically inserted at the end of this column. And if you click on this cell, you can see that the formula that they use is equal average B2 to B7. Okay, so that's how you find the average. And you can change this to show more decimal places. So maybe I want to do 1 decimal place. I can do that. Okay. You can also change this number type to number. And the next thing I want to do is I want to show you how to copy this formula. So for example, I'm going to enter another person's test score. Okay, here I have the test score of Anne being entered here, and I want to find the average of Anne, the test score of Anne. So what I want to do is I want to use the same formula, but instead of calculating the average from B2 to B7, I wanted to calculate C2 to C7. So what I do is I put my cursor at the lower right corner until it changes to the fill handle, and then I hold and drag and see the formula is copied to C8, and it automatically changed to average of C2 C7. And so this is the test score, average test score for Anne. Later on, I think maybe I want to they enter another test. So what I can do is I can select this and I right click and I say insert, shift the cell down. I would have another cell here, and notice the average didn't change. The average is still the same. But when I type test 7, let's say 89 for both of them, the average changes. Now it includes from B2 to B8. So Excel is smart enough to know that if you enter something on the same line in the same column and you're doing average, it would automatically update this formula. I also want to show you if I want to insert another student. So I right click after I select Anne, and I want to insert another column to the left of Anne. So I shift this whole cell to the right, and I can enter another student's score. So why don't you play around with entering whatever score that you want for Rob, and also use the fill handles to calculate the average for Rob. Next, I want to show you how to sort these score values. So what I want to do is to copy this score of Jack to another new worksheet. So I just click on this, and Excel will create a new worksheet for me. And I right click, paste. So the values would be here, will be copied here. And I want to sort this scores in a descending order. So I right click again, and then I see sort, custom sort. And I want to sort by the score on values from, I want to choose from largest to smallest, and I check OK. See how the score will be automatically sorted in descending order with the corresponding test number associated with it. The next thing I want to show you is when I have this test score available, I want to show it in a bar chart format. So I select all the test score and the test name, and I do insert chart, column chart. I just use the first one, cluster. See how all the test score will be shown as a bar chart.